In today's video, I will make a full review of Idle Empire, where you can earn cryptos, gift cards, and much more. I will also redeem some cryptos and show you my payment proof. To sign up and get your first 500 coins, make sure to use the link in the description below. Then hit register and sign up using one of your existing social media accounts. You can register via Steam, Google, Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or PayPal. If you don't have a social media account, then you can sign up the old-fashioned way using your email address. So I'm now logged into my account, and the first thing I will do is show you the payment methods available. You can choose between a bunch of different cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and much more down the page. If you're not a crypto believer, then you can choose to redeem some Amazon gift cards, gaming gift cards, and a lot more. There are 3 pages of different options you can choose from. So I would choose to get some Bitcoin, as the price has dropped quite significantly lately, and I'm hopeful it will eventually go back up. The minimum withdrawal amount is very low at only 10 cents or 1000 coins. With the current amount of coins I have, the highest amount I can redeem right now is $1, which will cost me 10,000 coins, and I will still have another 13,450 coins left to use later on. So the only way to get your Bitcoin is by having a Coinbase account. The good news is that I already have one. If you don't have one, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get $10 worth of Bitcoin when you trade $100 on their platform. Simply enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account and hit continue. All the information seems correct, so I'll confirm my withdrawal. So it looks like I have to complete a verification method before I can withdraw my payment. The requirements to verify via Steam seems a bit complicated, so I will verify my account using my mobile phone below. They will basically send an SMS verification code. Make sure to enter your phone number in the international format as shown here. +49 is the German country code, for Americans is +1, and for me living in Ireland, it's +353. I will now send a verification code to my phone. And I can now click on verify code. So hopefully that was it. I will try to withdraw my Bitcoin again now. Back to withdraw, Bitcoin, and I will select $1 again. I need to enter my email address associated with my Coinbase account again, continue, and confirm. My withdrawal has been put on hold and it should be reviewed and confirmed within 24 hours. This is quite normal and very frequent with survey websites, so I will show you the payment at the end of the video. Let's now go directly to the earn section so I can show you all the ways to earn. There's an annoying notification showing up here, which is just to confirm my withdrawal was put on hold. So first, let's have a look at the surveys. There are a lot of survey providers you can choose to earn coins. CPX Research is the best for me, but it could be different for you. So I would advise you to try them all to see which works best for you. Some tips before you start: always answer questions honestly and consistently. That's definitely the most important tip. If, for example, in one survey you say that you're 21, and on the next day on a different survey you say that you're 25, there's a good chance they could suspend you. So be consistent with what you answer. Second tip: it's normal to get rejected from some surveys. Don't be discouraged if this happens to you. Third tip: new surveys are added every day, so check back frequently. Next are the offer walls. You can select from all the ones from the left. Ludably has high paid offers where you can play games on your phone or computer and earn tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of points. Just browse around if you're a gamer, there are a lot of interesting options. In the videos tab, you can watch videos from loot.tv and earn points passively. I'll put a link to a review I made about this website in the description so you can see if this method is for you. In the AdSense Media offer wall and in the free tab, you will also see Meal Ninja, which is an affiliate of Hideout TV, another way to earn points by watching videos. Make sure to check the link in the description as well, where I explain how this works. Basically, this is how I earn most of my points. If you click on your profile there and then select transactions, you can see I earn mostly from watching videos. 1050 points here, then 10,050 points here, and 9,050 points there. Back to earn, in the offers, you will basically see the same as the offer walls, but the filtering options are much better. From the left, you can select how to earn. For example, if you select videos, you can see that you can earn through Hideout TV or Loot.tv. If you tick games, you will see all the games to earn. For some reason, 2 casino websites are also showing right now, but it shouldn't be the case. Back to earn again, the video section will also show you Hideout TV, so let's move on to the next section, which is referrals. By referring people to Idle Empire, you will earn a 20% lifetime commission on all referral earnings from surveys and offers. The person you refer must be new to the website. On top of the 20% commission, you get 50 coins per user invited, and the person who signs up with your link gets 500 coins. If you don't like the default name of your referral link, go to your account details to change it. Next are the promotions. Here, there are many ways to earn, so I'll just take a couple of minutes of your time. You can earn coins by verifying your email address. Just make sure you entered it in your account details. As you can see, my email address is verified. Earn another 50 coins for every identity you connect to your account. The purpose of this is to never lose access to your account. If you signed up through Google to Idle Empire, for example, and that for whatever reason your Google account gets suspended, then you will no longer have access to Idle Empire. If you connect through all these other social media, like Steam, Twitter, Facebook, etc., then you will always be able to access Idle Empire. On top of that, you will earn 50 coins per account that you connect with it. Next tab is Follow Us. Here you can join the Steam group, follow them on Twitter, and join their Discord server to earn some coins. The daily task is one of the most interesting ones if you have a Steam account. Simply include idle-empire.com in your Steam name and earn 50 coins. And you can redeem this offer every single day. Change your Steam avatar and use Idle Empire's logo as your profile avatar to earn 50 coins, and you can also do this daily. Collect your daily reward on their Discord server by using the daily common and earn between 20 to 1000 coins. They also host daily giveaways on Discord and on Reddit. In the next tab, you can invite friends to Idle Empire's Steam's account or Discord server and earn some coins as well. And finally, in the last tab, you can create a YouTube video about Idle Empire and earn 5000 coins. Your video has to show something useful, like describing how Idle Empire works, completing surveys, or withdrawing points, for example. The video description has to include your referral link. The duration of your video needs to be at least 30 seconds, and you can only earn once by creating one video. Once you've done all this, contact them here, and if it gets approved, you will get another 5000 coins. You can also create a forum post or a blog post about Idle Empire to earn more coins. Just make sure to read their terms before doing so, and then contact their support by selecting Content Promotion. So these are all the ways to earn coins from the Earn section. As you can see, there are many, but there is another one that I will show you in a minute. The next section is Profilers. Here, it's important that you enter some information about yourself to get the most relevant surveys and reduce your disqualification rate. This looks like a lot of things to fill in, but it shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes, and it will help you to get more relevant surveys, so I think it's worth filling everything in. You can see I haven't filled mine yet, because I earn all my points by watching videos through Hideout.tv and Loot.tv. In the Leaderboards tab, that's where you will also be able to earn more coins. The top earners are rewarded once a week. The top earner will get 300,000 coins, which is worth $30. This user earned over 541,000 coins, or more than $54, and there are still 2 days to go, meaning he earned an average of over $10 per day. The second place will earn $20, and the third place $10. So that's one way to earn more. Just earn the most amount of coins possible by answering surveys, completing offers, and more, just like I showed in this video, and you can potentially make an extra $30 per week. In Community, you can see that there are many different social media where you will usually see giveaways, tips, and updates. And finally, in the Support section, you can contact them from here if you have any questions. Simply email them at support@idle-empire.com or create a new ticket down below. I will now briefly pause the recording and wait to get my payment proof. I'm back and I received my Bitcoin on the next day. You can see from Idle Empire that the status is now showing complete, and in the details, it shows the amount sent to my Coinbase account. This is the email I received from Coinbase, and in my Coinbase account, you can also see the Bitcoins were transferred on May 14th, 2022 from Simon Ehrenreich, which is the name of one of the creators of Idle Empire. Overall, Idle Empire is a great way to earn some extra cash, cryptos or gift cards, with many different ways to earn. Let me know what you think of Idle Empire in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help me make more content like this. Thank you all for watching, and see you next week.